Hey guys, so this video is on how I prep my pots with their soil mix. So here is a banana, some coffee grounds, eggshells, hair, and this is all going in my worm bin.
All this biodegradable product will feed the microbes, which will then in turn feed the plants. We are going to collect from our finished vermicompost bin, harvest the vermicast to create our compost tea that is going to be used to start breaking down our alfalfa. Alfalfa is a slow release fertilizer, so I like to inoculate it first so that it's teeming with the microbes that I need. Insect frass, I have a little bit left from the last run. It has an NPK ratio of 3:4 and a range of micronutrients and a little bit of plant available chitin. This is what's left over from the last run. We will be using it all. For our phosphorus, I am adding fishbone meal, and I'm actually not going to add too much of this because there's other amendments that I'm using that contain phosphorus, and too much phosphorus can lead to nutrient lockups, and it can also inhibit the mycorrhizae propagules from forming. So when I was building the soil the first time, I added mineral mixes such as green sand and azomite, and these are very slow release fertilizers such as the glacial rock dust here. There's still nutrients in there that's left to be unlocked, and this soil should be pretty good to go. And just to make sure that there won't be any deficiencies, I made sure to cover all of the macro and micronutrients, but from a few amendments. Ideally you want to use bigger pots, but since we are using the 5 gallons here, you want to make sure not to let them dry out. So it's very important to mulch here so that the dryness doesn't kill off the microbes. Of course, we will be replenishing with a mixture of compost teas as well as seed sprout teas to boost our microbial life in the soil and to add enzymes and more nutrients, but later on.